deaf. Dirty bad mind, mommy do you so. Be a negative, you just
understand.
Multitude was 10 million.
Yeah.
And them use one to share it. Yes, me
Understand that.
I don't know you're doing.
Yeah. What size fish?
Yeah.
You no never tell me that.
Multitude can be three.
I could have one 1 pound fish, you know, attack, you know.
Yeah.
And I could have one fish who weigh thousands of pounds.
Just like a prophet still, you know.
Yeah.
Every fish out there's a fish. There's a fish, shark, you know.
Yeah,
There's a
fish.
fish, you know.
Whale a fish.
So you don't know how
describe it.
We don't know when catch.
You know when catch.
So wow, I won't no give you wriggle. I wriggle no give
But
it.
everything in the Bible I wriggle. That's why them say you have to interpret it. And you can interpret it in so many different ways.
So why doing that?
Cause you don't know when you read and get to look at and interpret, you know. And the most when me read and get and interpret my way, you know.
So why never put it at a level where every man forget the full understanding?
And a one right, did they?
Straight.
So a two right, did they?
Eh?
A one right, did they?
A one right.
A one meaning the word of.
Do I see up there?
Alright, what me ask you
1
something?
million different understanding.
Did
What me ask you something too?
So many different
So
understandings.
that no combustible.
To them.
That's why them say God give every man their own knowledge and wisdom and understanding.
So that's
So
why
you see
when
your
me
wisdom?
read now, me pick sense out of
From
nonsense.
So you have-
So that's why me gain this when me I tell
Yes,
you.
Yes. And when me read it,
So God never make me in a female image again.
Yeah, I mean, you will
So
have
I should have the same understanding.
like when me have.
Like where God have.
Well,
Remember me have the same image, you know.
the image, but not the same mindset.
When they say image, what that mean you look just like
Mind.
him, you know.
Then me no could I get the same mind too.
Can't sell mine.
Can't say mine. Everybody can be said mine can.
No, we understand that, you know. But since you make me not the same image like you know, could I give me the same mind like you? Cause since you're so good at this, a good mind.
You know why
Why
it's
you
a
not
great, you
give
know
me?
why it's a great like you.
Argue somehow.
Why you not give me it?
You know why it's a great.
Then you not think me want to be good too.
You know why it's a great.
Yeah.
So ask something. All of we look like God them.
Every man, parrot and woman.
Look like God.
Yeah.
Remember then tell us
image.
God a each man father, you know.
Yeah.
And don't then tell us enough to question God.
That's true.
So how me I go learn if me no ask my father nothing?
You put the ask your mother.
Well, other prophet say.
No,
don't
then
ask
if
your mother.
me no ask my father nothing, how me gonna learn?
Ask your mother like the prophet say.
Yes, God, me want to know what God mother.
I want to know something where me I go ask and my father me have to go ask, you know.
Yes, and my father me grow with.
Yeah.
So me have to ask
So all
him
my
that.
father the man who can tell me who am my mother, you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
And me reach to as far as me want to know if godmother too.
Yeah, me want to know.
Who me
Can you
fear?
want to know your grandmother?
Eh?
And most
They
your
take
grandmother
off
say I
your
want to
mother
know
and go
him.
be my
Yeah.
grandmother now.
Yeah, so me want to ask me old man
Yeah.
who a godmother.
So what make me no fi
Time
question?
elder me, you know.
Yo, yes.
That trick then she can't stop with this, so. Cause God a go kill me if me question him. And God a go sin me if me question him. You understand me?
You get tricked.
Yeah, how me a go learn? Remember your father teach you before you go on road, you know?
I don't know nothing.
Your father teach you before you even start going to school, you know?
Yeah, man.
So if me no question God, how me a go get God teaching?
That's why they say you must pray.
How pray?
Pray with understanding and believe.
Pray say what?
Alright, you go to bed tonight and you pray, say, yeah, Father God, you know, a morning or down in line, I go want a car, you know. Anytime you get the car at that time, God give it, you know.
God a go carry one car for you.
You have to work and
God
buy
have
it.
karma.
Then I know God give you.
God have karma.
God have karma.
Well, we don't know what we say, brother. Tell
But you not try confuse your fucking mind.
Yes.
Your money give your car out of man.
And work, you have to work to get money.
God.
Yes, so it's all
God.
about God where them teach you still. It's the wrong lesson them give you, you know? And whether I don't believe yes or no, but you know, who is we if we deny God now where them give it? Them done give it God already, you know, we glory with him, you know? We can't deny him again. But we don't can't see so we get the wrong lesson.
Looking beautiful, baby. Yeah, welcome, darling.
Wow.
Only a temp your boy.
Sweet up your so baby and gone. Couldn't left some more right here. All right,
mama.
baby. Make sure you smell same. We are sweet, you hear? Yes, baby.
Prof, we'd have enough boots. Yeah, man. Prof, we'd have spare boots, man.
Right, good to be alive, brother.
How you mean? Are you
Trust
greatest,
me,
man?
Good to be alive.
Man,
you know?
every day life sweet.
I see him thing we don't have a reason about this
Money or
man.
no money life is nice, man.
Good to be
Without
alive.
money, life still good, brother.
That's why I say money or no money
Yeah,
life is nice.
yeah.
Life is nice.
Money can't buy with me having
No,
a
man, life is nice, man.
uh,
Tell a man, good.
money can't buy life.
No.
Money buy love. He buy yai,
Every
he
fucking
buy head,
house,
he buy
car,
foot,
boot,
he buy hand,
hand.
but he can't buy life a blood clot.
Can't buy life.
Oh, try remember that.
You're a songwriter, tell him, man.
Money can't buy that.
Buy
Money
everything.
buy
Buy any other thing.
anything else
Yeah.
upon the face of this earth
My
apart
father
from
tell them,
life.
man.
Can't buy life.
Fast life, no sale.
No, no. Man would have enough pack up.
You can't get plastic art, but you can't get a plastic
Yeah,
art.
man.
Man with money would have buy them out pack up.
Yeah, man.
None life.
No,
No life, no fake.
No, no.
None.
If it
Every
not sell,
life
we put-
real.
we put
Every
on
life
none.
real,
Rich
you
man buy out everything.
Long time.
No fake life.
A fake one could have make China now have whole heap.
That's not true.
Bumbo clot, do you man? China would have whole heap of fake life, Baba. Bungle up in a container. Fuck do you man?
And take good life and give it
Fuck
fake.
one and fake one. Yeah man,
That
but
not
two
the
them
brother.
can't do that.
That not
Yeah.
for true,
Yeah man, I only think that them can adapt,
Every
brother.
life equal, man.
Yeah man,
Every
that
life
no we, that
equal
you have to
general.
use and beat the blood clot them in because here a man feel like say film life better
Him no
than
more
feel.
than me, brother.
No,
No, man, if you want to wear 2 pants up to you, you know,
Or six.
one fit me.
all six.
Yeah, man, one fit me.
me
That no
good
make you
with.
be no more man
no,
more me.
no, one,
One
fit
fit
me and
me,
me
man.
comfortably in
No,
a
no
one.
fit
Yeah, man,
me.
come in and tell us your man can't wear 2 pants, you know.
Oh you mean? Then
It's
man
up
no
to
do
you.
it. Man
trouble
do
me.
it.
You say one fit me,
Yeah,
That's trouble.
yeah. Man drive all 3 fucking car. You
Yeah.
drive one go out
One-
and
you can't
drive
drive
one
it
next
three of them one time.
No, no, he drive it 3 of them one day.
Still have man with 110.
Yeah.
Still can't drive them one
No.
time. You don't make you be the more man,
No,
man. You drive
no.
one already.
Right,
And if
right.
you walk, put you still another more man.
Me still a go. Me still a go.
Carry me.
The car don't make me be a man.
No.
No.
And taxi if you carry me.
The car don't make me be a man.
Nah
And the
house, nah
where me
money.
go and nah the money where me have in the
No,
bank.
no,
Don't make me be a
no,
man.
no.
Me have to be a man of myself.
Self, brother.
Yeah,
Them me
true
no born man.
Yeah.
Me a man before me have anything else, you know.
Yeah,
For your born here, man.
Alright, sir. Alright. I mean no born with money and car and
me.
wealth.
I mean, live the life of
Of a man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
For real,
that
to
me do.
gain that.
Live the
Right,
life
me
of
boy.
a man, you know.
Right.
Work to gain
Yeah,
that.
man.
Yeah, man.
A real talk.
Life are the greatest thing
Yeah,
on earth,
man,
brother.
I say,
And every
man.
man fi cherish life
Yeah,
and
man.
glorify him life when him have.
If
and
you don't
try
have
fi
life, we
keep
are
it.
do with car.
Mm-hmm.
We are do with house. We are
And
do
woman
with girl.
and money.
Yeah, we are going to do
We
with
are
them.
gonna do with them. And you don't have no life.
If you don't have life, money no want you, you know.
Oh, alright.
No girl no want you.
Look how much money then give fat man. And if you go up there right now, you don't spend $1 yet.
I go and go find her.
He don't spend $1 out of where him get yet. And if he was alive, him done them there already.
I want more.
Hey, God.
I want many more.
Check up a cemetery now and see if every dollar no in there with
You
him.
don't have any use to
I
him.
must Congo worm. I go eat them after
Yeah,
them
yeah,
eat him
them
done and I
try,
have nothing else to eat. Then go and eat them money. Yeah.
Tell him I'm going to tell him man because if you give me them back, you know.
That's it.
All of them lock up down there.
Life
with
fucked
fatter.
up, you know.
Yes, if life fuck up.
And some people know some people believe.
No.
No care how me love you.
Yes.
Books right now if you pass. Word speaking.
Yes,
Yeah, go
I
for it.
Me and your brother, me don't know how me a gonna live out that.
Right.
You
Right.
understand me? But
I
me just
see him
hope the
thing with me
best that
too.
me can live it
Live
out.
it out.
To see you go down
Go and go down
rest
good.
in peace.
Yeah,
You
man.
understand
Yeah,
me, brother?
And
Yo! Myself again, you know, man. Oh, me figure tell myself, say me I go pack you up a money. We go on way. For do what?
Why me never give you them
I
when you are
remember
alive,
sick
brother.
of pure still have
Alive.
life.
When me no
we
give
can use
the
them money.
yeah.
Yeah. Them in a better make it sick of them.
Who life
Look
back?
how much money me try to spend now to
Yeah.
buy caskets, sit
Yes.
your bury and do
Yeah.
all of that.
Yes.
You still need to give your money to go down on the earth.
Me give when I life, brother, then
So
we left
want
back,
to
man.
sick of
Yeah,
our
man.
proper.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
We're
man.
still there with me.
We
help
need
me
money
go
to
around
spend
and do
all of them
things
little
that we
things, yeah.
need Money.
Yeah.
You know better me give you?
Yeah, cause me we gone down on that earth no need, you know.
Where you need
No.
Where you need that again?
We give you what you need already. You're gone with it. But you don't need no money. So
Me
one
no
of them
say-
live man that will leave back here.
If a man tell himself say him love him family member, I
Yeah.
want give me money. You know, say it trouble me, you
No,
know.
no,
But
no.
me just show you my real
Real
love.
Yeah.
When me a deal with
Yeah,
me,
man.
we come bury you when you're dead.
I'm spending the
The
amount
amount of money
to
and
make you
bury
very
you.
good. Yes,
But the
I
one we left alive, me I go give money to spend.
Right.
Fair enough.
Yeah, that
Me
I go-
believe in
me I go
that
give
too.
money to spend.
That a fuck.
You know the one we left alive, I gonna feel fuck up you know you give the dead man money and you don't give me $1. Tell me the truth now. How me gonna feel and you tell yourself say we are brother, we are family, or we are what?
You're not to say
Then
party
how
word.
you feel now yourself.
You're
you
not
know,
to
say.
say party
You
word.
get it. Remember, you know,
Yeah.
the money is a something we have used, you know.
Yes.
And you tell yourself say it have used to the dead man.
Yeah.
Why you be man of
None.
Eh?
Like you feel say I'm more used to him we dead more than me we alive.
Check what we are doing in life,
Yeah,
brother. You
yeah,
understand me?
yeah,
So,
yeah.
me don't want some people come tell me nothing about no love. Cause you don't know what name, so. You understand me, brother? And me can't talk loud. Cause things when me see with me eye.
I'm not lying,
People
brother.
are pop out money and give dead man in a grave. Me have many money in my pocket. What me do with my money? Me go
Spend
go
it
give
round
people where they
we
out there and
alive.
spend it around
Yeah,
them.
Yeah, yeah.
Me have many money in my pocket can take out games. See, mom's gone down and me put her down. Me do everything for give him a lighter.
No, sir.
You understand me, brother? What it is to her now. Why me never give him when he was here? That I go show us me never did I give moms no money.
Right.
So now me
Yeah, try
guilty
to
about
catch up.
something.
Yeah, try to catch up with where you never do.
Yeah,
now.
where me I give
You
moms
don't have no
money
use
for
again.
now.
You don't
Tell
have
me
no
now
use
if this
again.
look good
It
to
no
who?
have no use
Who this
again.
look good to?
Can't
Who
look
likes
good
it?
to nothing. Not
Then we
even
fool
the
saying
same
ourselves.
dead man.
Eh?
Not even the
We
same
need to
dead
come
man.
back in
No
our
want it.
real life.
You no want it.
He can't look good to him neither.
Then the man they want it when him
Oh,
alive.
you fuck you
Or the
mean?
you
woman,
fuck.
him not
What
did
you
want
mean?
it when him
What you
alive.
mean?
So why you gonna do it? No. Where you was to give him when him did alive. You have to know what we are doing, man, and
Yeah,
stop
man.
make yourself look like fuck, yeah,
Yeah.
man. Cause some people feel like a them they think they are bossing.
Alright.
Bossiness is love.
Yes, I am.
When you can't share with your brother and fuck your
Same
sister.
way. Same way.
Where you are boss, man?
Yeah, man.
We give
Just-
dead man
You,
money.
you spend $1 million and prepare for people come eat and drink and have a very good time. That
Yeah.
I love.
Boss pan.
That is
And
love.
you boss pan that.
And we
That I
sit
love and you
together
both
and
span
mourn
that where you do
together.
tomorrow.
Yeah, we mourn together
Yeah,
and bury
yeah.
the loved one we
Yeah,
pass.
right.
So
right.
what giving him money? We sense that look to you.
And when he was alive, he had this thing for him get $1.
Remember good now.
And one of the hardest thing for him
Blood
get
clot
$1.
thing for you give
When
him
him
money.
alive.
What you mean? I mean eye talk.
So what this?
Yeah.
Way look like?
Need to give you no money now.
No, sir.
Ah, man.
No need to spend no
No
money
need
on
to
you
do
that
that.
way, there, brother. Give you
Yeah.
some. Nah, give you so much down if you go home with. I think $1 you don't forget to bury up within a grave,
For
brother.
what? For what? What sense in that?
Then look how much peace me left back here with that $1 there. Eh?
You know
You
what
sin.
people can buy a pound of sugar, man.
You sin as bomber clot.
And then good all
Ah.
bear the time for y'all there with me to I'll be
Reason
buried
why you
dead,
don't
yeah.
feel like you sin through that no in I 10 commandment. But you sin. Ah.
But remember, you know, some of them people who will spend their precious time there with me. I help me put on the love one you have mine.
Yeah.
Them good all can't find the first dollar man. You know?
No.
And me bury how much you under her.
Then me couldn't go no. Will help me do so much something.
Tell me if me not have no sense. Or me a idiot.
Eh.
Then some people look upon themselves as they don't know how to do something, brother. We have to know how we are do, man, and check yourself for true,
Yeah,
man.
man. Before you wreck yourself.
Wreck yourself, man. How we are do, man.
Check yourself before you
Me
wreck
not
yourself.
wreck myself, sir, brother,
No.
cause me not full of knowledge more than nobody else, but me have a little and me try to use it the best me can.
Yeah.
Wisely.
Yeah, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, you mean, man? Me a
Fair
idiot,
enough,
man.
fair
Me
enough.
can't take money a duck up and dead man and then have no use to him. Him don't need me money. Me gonna give somebody we can tell me thanks.
Yeah, man.
And so grateful
And
to me and give
use
me
it.
blessing.
Yeah.
So me I say, brother,
right.
where me a looking at her?
Mm.
Where me could honor?
You can't get no blessing from the man, you know, again, you know,
Where
when
me
we
could
give him
honor?
that way. No care where you give him, you know, no
Hey.
blessing, no did this for you again,
We
you know.
lack of knowledge.
Yeah.
We lack of
Last
fucking
culture.
knowledge, you mean? If
Last.
last culture.
Last,
I
don't be
mean.
mean, brother.
Enough how we believe in a demons.
Yeah, and fuckery.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Enough how we believe in a demons. Yeah.
A real thing.